Hi guys, this is Varun Marathe and in this video I am going to do the unboxing of the brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So this is one of the very first retail unit across the globe. As you can see over here, this is the black S Pen over here right now because the color which I have chosen is midnight black. If we move across the box, you see on the left side it is written Samsung Galaxy Note 9. On the top there is just the MRP information. Now at the back of the box, as you can see, the features are provided. It is the 128 gigabyte model. It is written DOS because it supports dual SIM hybrid SIM slot. uh, another information is the, as you can see over here, it's 6.4-inch display, quad HD display of resolution 2290 by 1440. It is having dual pixel 12 megapixel optically image stabilized cameras, with the main camera being having the variable aperture of 1.5 and f2.4. It also supports super slow mo and at 960 fps in 720p. The front camera is 8 megapixel with autofocus. It also has iris scanner, and the new feature which is there, S Pen with remote control, is there. This version is 128 gigs and 6 GB of RAM. The phone also has stereo speakers which are tuned by EKG, and earphones also which are tuned by EKG. Another major change is the battery life, 4000 milliamp hour battery. I think this is going to make a significant change. We also have fast wireless charging, and it is IP68 water and dust resistance. So okay, let's get started. Now I am going to tear this off. Here we go. Okay, so I'm so excited because this is the one I have bought for myself. So I'm very excited for this one. As you can see, the box looks amazing. It's brand new. The packaging is premium as we expect from Samsung. So let's get into the box. Okay, so there is another box. When you open this is what you get. uh, there's just Samsung written over here, and this is the information: use Indian SIM card only. So let's open the retail box. That's it. Here you go. So in the beginning, initially we are seeing this Samsung Galaxy Note 8 box over here, and in this box, when you open, you have the SIM ejector tool, and when you open this from the top, you get some information, warranty information and quick start guide, as we all know. And this is the silicone case which has come in the box. This time around it's rubber. Previously it was the clear case, a hard clear case, which was given with Note 8. Now they have given the silicone case. It is having cutouts for everything, as you can see over here. And we'll keep this at the side. And here it is, the phone itself, Samsung Galaxy Note 9 in its black variant in all its glory. As you can see over here, this is the back of it, the new fingerprint placement which has been talked about. So I'll start removing the plastic. This is the most amazing part of a new phone, so please be with me during this. It feels amazing. Now we'll take the screen guard off the front. So many times I've done this, but every single time it amazes me equally. So this is the actual phone. We'll keep it at this side for now, and we'll look what else is in the box. So when we remove this cover, we have the fast wire charger from Samsung, adaptive fast charging. It is 9 volts 1.67 amp or 5 volts 2 amperes. It is same as the previous charger which we got with Note 8, so there has been no upgrades over there. we were hoping that we will get some kind of an upgrade. Here we have the USB to USB type C converter, so that connector, so that we can transfer our data from the old device to the new device easily. It's nice that Samsung has included it in the box so that it becomes easier when you're transferring your contents. Another thing which we have over here when we open this is the AKG earbuds. These are the AKG tuned earbuds which we got with Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus as well. Samsung's ownership of Harman is actually helping their mobiles a lot, because they are actually tuning their sound system. Now these are not the normal headphones which we get. These are premium headphones, and the sound quality is also great. Let me put this back. Another thing which we get over here is the USB to USB type C charging cable. This cable is the same as we got with the other Samsung devices. So let me keep this back. Now in this we get the S Pen tip removal tool, so that we can easily remove the tips of the S Pen if they are getting damaged or something. And we also have 3 tips in this if you look closely to replace. Another thing which we have over here is the replacement earbuds, so that we can have the word which is fitting our ears properly. So yeah, that's it. All these are all the things that come in the box, so I'll keep everything as it is. Now let's get to the phone. So this is the brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. As you can see in the first look, there is not much difference between this and the old phone. The bezels at the bottom have shrunken a little. Now let's take a look around the device. At the top we have the 8 megapixel camera. On the left there's a speaker, and on the left there is the iris scanner camera. At the bottom there is nothing. The bezels have reduced a bit. When we move here, we see that there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, and there is a USB type C charging cable, charging connector, and the speaker. This time we have stereo speakers, so one output will be from this and one will be from the earphones. At the top there is also a socket for S Pen. When we move at the back over here, we can see this dual 12 megapixel camera, with the main camera having variable aperture. We have the heart rate sensor on the right side now, and the fingerprint scanner is at a very nice position right now. To be honest, I didn't have any problem with the fingerprint scanner which was there with the Note 8 as well, but I think people who are having smaller hands had some issues with it, so the fingerprint scanner location has been moved now. When you take a look at the side of the phone, if you can actually see that the sides of the phone now have chamfered edges. They are diamond cut edges to provide, because the thickness of the phone has increased. Now it is 8.8 millimeter, but the diamond cut which you see right now, the shine which is moving through it, the diamond cut makes it feel that the phone is still thinner, but it is 8.8 millimeters, which is actually thicker because of the 4000 milliamp hour battery. All in all, this phone is amazing. I have chosen the midnight black version again, and the only change color wise, if you see, is the aluminum rim which is there on the phone is actually matte in color. Previously we used to get the glossy aluminum rim. Apart from that, the phone's weight is 201 grams, but the weight distribution is amazing, so we are not feeling it at all. The glass which is there at the front and back is Corning Gorilla Glass 5, so the phone is between the sandwich of both. And the aluminum frame, I hear it is a stronger aluminum series than we got on Note 8. So this was the unboxing of the retail unit of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and the shipping has started and people have started receiving the box. So this is one of the first devices that I have received over here in India. This is the 128 gig version, which retailed for 67,900 rupees, which is roughly 1000 USD, and the 512 gig 8 GB version retails at 87,900. And the other colors which are available are ocean blue, midnight black, metallic copper, and lavender purple. So that's it guys. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video.